This is at the Vet Administration Building here at Texas A&M University.
I got Ryan and Jim Lee here with me. Camera trio.
Is Brian College Station Elevators and More is James.
Or James, sorry.
Yeah, that's all right.
Now this thing's got a good motor.
Ooh, it's all pretty much all carpeted here. Carpeted floor and carpeted wall. Well, if I'd say carpeted wall, but
We gotta listen to this motor. This thing's got an amazing motor.
all right. Well, let's listen.
And there's one more elevator that we're gonna look at.
Okay.